I want to do something today. I'd like to do something adventurous. I'd like to swim with the sharks. That's too dangerous. I'd like to hike in the forest. The forest is too far. I'd like to run around Jeju Island. That's too hard. I'd like to pet a tiger at the zoo. That's too tiring. What can I do? I think I will just stay home and read books.
Restaurant looks like a ship. It smells like the ocean. It has an aquarium inside. There are fish look like stars. A person is cooking. The food smells great. People are all eating the food.
I want to do something today. I'd like to do something adventure. I like to swim with the sharks. That's too dangerous. I'd like to hiking in the forest.
Looks like stars. A person is cooking. The food smells delicious. The people are eating. The food tastes great. A person is playing the piano.
Hiking the forest. The forest is too far. I'd like to run around Jeju Island. That's too hard. I'd like to pet a tiger at the zoo. That's too tiring. What can I do? I think I will stay home and read.
This restaurant looks like a ship. It smells like a ocean. It has an aquarium inside. There are fish. Looks like a star. A person is cooking. The food smells delicious. David and Alex are going to summer camp. They will going after school. They are going to the sea. They will going with their
I want to do
neighbor.
something today. I'd like to do something adventurous. I'd like to swim with the sharks. That's too dangerous. I'd like to hike in the forest. The forest is too far. I'd like to run around Jeju Island. That's too hard. I'd like to pet a tiger at the zoo. That's
I
too
want to do
tiring.
something today. I'd like to do something adventurous. I'd like to swim with the sharks. That's too dangerous. I'd like to hike in the forest. The forest is too far. I'd like to pet a
Look
tiger.
like stars. A person is cooking. The food smells delicious. People are eating food. The food tastes great. A person is playing the piano. The song sounds sweet.
David and Alice are going to summer camp. They will read after school. They are going to the sea. They are going with their neighbors. Alice will learn how to swim like a dolphin. She will swim with David. David will learn how to make fire. He will cook hot dogs. After they eat, they will go to bed. They will sleep in a cabin. They will have fun.
앞에 보고 인사. 네, 땡큐.
Joe to go to the musical. The musical is tonight. Joe says he can't go. Joe has to help his mother. He has to babysit his sister. April and John are sad.
Then George has an idea. He will bring his sister. He asks his mother. George's mother says it's okay. He will not miss the show. Everyone joins the show.
인사. 오케이.
Always moving. You can feel it most of the time because it happens very slowly. Parts of the ground rub against each other. They press on each other. But sometimes they get stuck. They may stay stuck for a long time. Then one part will come unstuck. This is what causes an earthquake. Earthquakes can be very scary. The ground starts shaking. Buildings start moving. Objects fall off the walls. It's strange to feel the ground move.
Earthquakes in the happened in China in 1976. It was the Tangshan earthquake. Over 250,000 people died in that earthquake. You can, however, be safe during an earthquake if you are inside the room and get under a table. This can keep you safe for falling objects. If you are in bed, stay there. Put a pillow over your head. Try not to move until the shaking stops. If you are outside, run away from trees. Go to an empty.
If you are in bed, stay there. Put a pillow over your head. Try not to move until the shaking stops. If you are outside, run away from trees. Go to an empty space and lie down. Don't touch power lines on the ground. Wait until the shaking stops and then find and run out for help. Sometimes earthquakes happen underwater. It makes a big wave. The wave can flood the beach. Get away from the water. Go to a high place until the shaking stops. If there is an earthquake, you now know how to stay safe.